What is inside atom? You all might have seen ants. How do we know about them? It's because we can see them. Because we humans can see them, we know a lot about ants. But imagine something which is 10 to the power 10 times less than the size of the ant. Something that is impossible to see with our eyes. How difficult would it be to know anything about it? But we humans are smart, you see. Over time, we have been able to develop an almost complete picture of what we call atoms, which are the building blocks of all the matter around us. It all started when Mr. John Dalton proposed the first modern atomic theory. According to his theory, atoms were considered to be indivisible. That is, there was nothing that could be smaller than an atom. He also said that the atoms of an element are identical, and that the atoms of different elements were different. But this was just a theory. Somebody had to go out and prove it. However, as I stated earlier, one of the biggest problems was that atom could not be seen with our naked eyes. Thus, scientists had to rely on experiments to examine its various properties. Michael Faraday, during one such experiment, led to the discovery of one such intriguing property. During his electrolysis experiments, he observed that the atoms were gaining a negative charge. This immediately raised doubts in the scientific community about the indivisibility of an atom. Atoms till then were considered to be electrically neutral. Therefore, it could gain a negative charge only if it gains something from the other atoms. But how is this possible if the atom is indivisible? This mode of thinking led to the idea that there must exist some tiny particles tinier than the atom which are responsible for giving a negative charge to the atom. Again, since atoms are electrically neutral, therefore every atom should consist of tiny positive charged particles which balance these negative charges. So finally, from all this began the discussion of subatomic particles. Particles that were the building blocks of not matter but the atom itself. We now know a lot more about these subatomic particles and have thus developed a much more clearer idea about the world around us. So friends, in this video we try to gain a sneak peek inside an atom. Till next time, happy learning.